So, leaving Shoe Palace, always a good thing here. Check it out. Come here if you are in Hollywood area. You definitely need to come by here. Tell them your boy Bosco sent you, of course. We're about to go on over to Goodwill and see what's there. If not, then we'll probably be heading out. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you smash the like button, of course. We're gonna go over to Marshall's, actually, not Goodwill, Marshall's, and just see if they have anything there. Other than that, I'm about to get out of here. Stay tuned for the rest of the video, you dig? Going down Hollywood, see Hollywood. So I stopped by Marshall's like I said I would, and I'm only gonna show you guys what I like, but I did come across a few things. If you see something you like, also say something. These are pretty crazy though, pretty great finds. Last time we were here, we saw these EQTs. Oh, I gotta hold up both of them. These Dodger Blue EQTs. This colorway is pretty fire. Only, I think it was like $49 for these. I don't really see it. Oh, $45 for these. A red tag, so it's on clearance. Not sure what you could get if you were trying to flip them, but this is definitely a nice cop. What do you guys think about those? They got some of these on the building too. Not too big a fan of these, but I definitely wanted to show y'all those. Got some New Balance training here. Look like some Curries. Nope, not Curries. This is the other shoe I wanted to show you guys. Highly disappointed that these are not in my size, bro. 54 bucks, definitely worth it. David Robinson's classic shoe right here. This shoe right here takes me back to like junior high school. These were fire. If you know about these, let me know in the comment section below. Stupid fire, 54 bucks. They should be a lot more. So mad that these aren't in a 13. These will come home with your boy. Such a classic shoe, bruh. What y'all know about this? Anybody know anything about this? What do you guys think about them, even if you don't know about them? These are fire though, bruh. Oh, they got 2 pair of them, man. I'm mad. Now I'm getting mad. Now they have multiple pair, but nothing in my size. Roshi's. Nothing else really here. Puma Clydes, you got cleats, dual racers. These pennies might be something for people. These are 72 bucks. They are wildin'. 72 bucks on clearance. They are definitely wildin'. How could they be doing that? 72 bucks is way too much for this shoe right here. It's sweated, the suede's nice and everything, but $72 is way too much. If you guys agree, I need to know, because these are crazy right here, bro. I can't believe that these are 72 bucks. They should be more like 54 or something like that, but 72 is definitely way too much for these. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. You got the Puma Clydes in the Michigan colorway. Navy blue upper with the like yellow or gold. Puma line with the white midsole, cop pass, fire, or trash on those. Once again, really dope shoe. Can't take it home, not my size. If they had them in the 13, they would instantly go with your boy. Cop pass, fire, or trash, man. 45 on these Nike free runs. They should be more like 30, maybe 35. I don't understand how they doing this with these shoes, man. They gotta flip it around. 24 Nauticas though. Those of you guys fan of Nauticas, not really me. High-tech boots, these are going for 26 bucks. Now this might be a flip right here, because it's 26 bucks. These things definitely are way more than 26 bucks. If you know what these go for, let me know in the comment section below. Of course, your opinion is greatly appreciated. Thought these were something else. Of course, you know what I probably thought they were. Dockport. You guys familiar with Dockports? These look like more like orthopedic shoes for older people. I'm not too sure. They got LeBron 13s in the gray colorway. I'm telling you guys, this Marshall's on Hollywood has some pretty good shoes for all sizes. It just depends on what you're looking for. Like I said, I'm here on the clearance rack. We'll show you guys the other aisles in a second. Still have these on deck, 34 bucks. This is a good price for this shoe. Cop pass, fire, or trash. I'm enjoying this colorway. It reminds me a lot of the Brandon Ingram that I got in stock. See, like they have maybe 1 or 2 sizes left. What do you guys think about those in the comment section below? Here they go again in a much bigger size. This is like a size 14 right here. These almost look like LeBron's shoes, his Kiss, but they're not. $39 on those, $40 for those. Some Curry cleats. We got like the SC on there, some cleats. Never seen Steph Curry cleats or Steph Curry cleats. We got some crazy cleats here going for 19 bucks. I feel like these are worth something more than that. They said a retail tag of 85 bucks. I feel like it would be more than that. These look like some Kyries when I first saw them, but they're not. Got Victor Cruz's on deck for 40 bucks. Got some of these, what's this, cloud foam for 39. We've seen those before. These ones, different colorway. Cop Pass, Fire or Trash. Air Max Prime. Aren't these like Air Max 1s or Air Max 2s? They got them for a few different sizes, bruh. Air Max Prime, they got them in 9.5, 11, 9, and 8. They retail for 110. They got them here for, what's that tag going for on these? 49 bucks. These New Balances right here, pretty sick, bro. I'm not mad at these New Balances at all. Don't have the price point on them, but this is definitely a dope colorway and a dope type of shoe. If you guys like them, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Nikes, Nikes, Nikes. Check these out. Check these LeBron lows out. 79 bucks, 80 bucks. Fire LeBron, actually. Fire LeBron, they got them here with the box, a couple pair. Size 9.5, 11, and 9.5. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? Cop Pass, Fire or Trash on these? I wasn't sure what was gonna happen with Marshall, but it turns out to be a pretty good day. Pretty good finds here. These ones are not too bad. We've definitely seen these plenty of times. This colorway, no, I haven't seen this colorway, but this one is pretty dope. Let me know if you guys agree. 39 bucks on this, not too bad. These feelers are actually in store now. They have them here at Marshall's already for 39 bucks. Here's that New Balance again for 49. I guess it got the price tag. Wow. This right here is a steal, ladies and gentlemen. This, what is this, Nike cleat for 20 bucks? Is there a box to this? These are crazy. 19 bucks, these definitely gotta be a bargain, you dig? Now this is why you have to look in the boxes and see what's there, because look, not on display right here, but they have them on deck in a lot of sizes. 12, 11.5, and 8. Now these are crazy. What do you guys think about these? 59 bucks, is it worth it? Cop Pass, Fire or Trash. These shoes are dope, man. This Foot Locker, I'm calling it Foot Locker because they got a lot of shoes Foot Locker got, but this Marshalls, man, Hollywood and Highland, I'm telling you, they be having some heat. They be having some heat. This is heat right here. What is really going on in this world? Super steal right here for the retail arbitrage in me. Get these for $19. You can sell them. The retail was $200, so I can get at least $100 for them. Paying only $20 for them. Pretty dope. That's what retail arbitrage can do. If you guys don't know, now you know. Check out Bobby Thrift on YouTube. Fire, 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 fire. I'm not mad at what I'm seeing here. Not mad at the selection here, bro. Let me go get those David Robinsons, throw them in here too. Another great day at Marshall's. We're gonna go real quick over this line of shoes. This is why you come to Marshall's to check it out. I tell you guys all the time, but this is why you come to Marshall's to find what they got here, bro. Boom, right? We've seen these. Great colorway. They got some sizes of those. These are cool. Almost look like the Vapor X. Almost look like the Vapor X without the Kyrie added to them. Maybe that's what this is. We'll look that up. New Balances, fire. Not too bad on these Adidas. 59 bucks. The price point's crazy. 39 on those. Reebok Classics. These ones are pretty dope, bro. Pretty dope. Not sure the retail on them. The box is probably somewhere down here. It's always mixed up in there. Reebok boxes over there. David Robinson's. Fire shoe, in my opinion. Fire, fire shoe. Huaraches. Fire Hyper Dunks, my bad. Hyper Dunks. Super fire. Haven't seen that red colorway myself. Never seen that red colorway before, I don't think. These LeBrons. What do you think about those? Cop Pass, Fire or Trash on these? Man, Nikes. Feelers. New Balances. What's really going on here? What is really going on here? Whole lot of heat. Whole lot of heat. Whole lot of heat. Once again, big shout out to everybody watching on YouTube and on Facebook. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.